Hello YouTube, welcome back with me. I am Bala Perembang, and today I will unboxing a package. This is a package from online shop. Uh, Come on, let's open it. Just open it, okay? And I buy something from the online shop. This is a water pump, yes, and water pump. This water pump is have a cheap price, a low price. Yes, this is I get this with 25,000 at TikTok shop. Yes, at the TikTok shop. This is 25,000 only. Whoa, dude, so cheap, right? Okay, let's open it and what we got inside now. This is a guarantee card, yeah, guarantee card, and this is a Fenstar instruction manual, and this is the unit. Okay, now we just like this. Whoa, the build quality is very low. Yeah, yes, with the price this is, yes, enough. What we got, this is the unit, and we got this is, yeah, what is it, oh, with USB charger. Okay, and we got a slang. What is slang? And we got a net, yes, pupil net, and we got this. I'm not going to use this because this never I use. On me, I am Bala Perembang. We just need this. Oh, sorry, scissor. We need scissor. Okay, this is use here. Okay, we put it in here. Okay, but you can see this on here is there is lebih, yeah, we will cut it. Okay, we will cut it. Okay, we cut it first. Okay, just like this. Okay, oh, clean enough. Okay, clean enough. Okay, the body is so thin, but it's yes, a little heavy. Okay, we put it in on. Okay, and let's try this cap. Okay, okay, sip, work fine. Okay, now I'm not gonna use this, but I only use this. Okay, like this, but I'm not use it. Okay, this is the USB charge. We can put it on here like this. Okay, and then this is the water slang. We can put it on here. Oh, I'm wrong. This the same one. Okay, okay, just like this, and then let's start the unit. Okay, first you have to close this and put this on. Okay, if you got the thin slang, and this is work fine. Okay, you can hear it work. Okay. I'm sorry. With only 25,000 rupiah you got this, and I have three, but the first I buy it was broken, and I buy it again, the second one, and this the third. Yes, this is the third. Okay, okay, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Me, I am Bala Perembang, and like this video if you like it, and share to the all of media social you have, and maybe this is a video that can you make experience with me. Okay, and don't forget to see my next video, and I don't want to go to see again. Okay, see you in the next video, and bye bye.